We're going to make iced tea the easy way. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Well, today we're not so much going to have a great recipe as we're going to have an easy learning. What happens when you need to make iced tea and maybe you've got a special iced tea pot or well, it is a pot that you use to make your tea all the time, and it's dirty. Well, I don't like that, and you probably don't either. And if you're in the middle of cooking dinner and you don't want to wash it and all, don't do that. Do this. This is an electric tea kettle, or it's actually called an electric glass kettle. It's made by the Bella Manufacturing Company, and it will boil 7 cups of water. Now, in America, where we are, Texas, we don't have these things too often. In fact, I had never seen one in my life, and I saw some videos from some of my friends' YouTube channels across the pond, and I thought, that's cool. So I went out looking, and I went to Big Lots, and there they were. Got this for about $19.99, so that's pretty handy. Here is the tea kettle, and this is the heating element in here. And here's the electric base that you set it on, and this handy button pops it open. So, they will hold 7 cups, and you just pour this in, close her down, and I'll turn this over so you can see this right here. You just push this nifty handle down, and it turns blue, LEDs around, and the handle too. And if you've got cold filtered water, like right out of the refrigerator, it would take around 7 minutes to boil on mine. If you have room temperature water, it might be 3 or 4 minutes. But this sounds like it's going to heat up real quick, so we'll be right back. Alright, well, in under 4 minutes, it's got a hard boil, and I can lift up this button to turn it off, or if you happen to walk away and leave it, once it starts boiling, after a short time, it will turn itself off as a safety feature, which I find really nice. Now, I'm going to slide this over here. Here's the handy part. I've got my 3 Louisiana family tea bags. And I love Louisiana because they are not wrapped up in paper, which is a waste. And then I like to dab them a little bit, push it there, and then here's what you do. You let it steep, and this handy little plastic lace cut strainer there will let it steep, give you good flavor for your tea. But you can let it steep however strong or weak you like. Some people may like a couple of minutes, some people may like 5 or 7 minutes. I myself like about 8 or 9. And if the old housewife tells you, oh no, that's going to make it where it's too strong, or it's going to make it sour, or no, it doesn't. It's quite nice, so give it a try. 8 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, our 8 minutes is up, and I'm putting my sugar in here so that when I get the tea out, it will melt the sugar. Also, just like in my traditional how to make iced tea video a couple of years ago. I like to push the good bit out of the bags. And then, here we go. Pour it in. And then and set this, I'll set that down there and stir this up. And then I will use my handy cold refrigerator water to put in 7 or 8 more cups of water. And then it's ready for the ice. I'll stir it once again and put my water in. Mix that up. And our tea is ready. Have a nice iced tea glass full of ice. Now it's full of tea. And here's to you. Yum. And here's to making iced tea the easy way. If you like this lesson for easy iced tea using the electric kettle, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experience with making iced tea and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Enjoy and be well. Here's the kettle, obviously, and it has a heating base down here, and this is what you set it on, and then you can, son of a gun, I hate all those ding-dong notifications. Stop it! One moment. Yeah, I'm gonna bunky into you too. Put my sugar in here. Is that running? If you like this recipe, it's not a recipe, is it?